guys, how are you today? In this time of pandemic, we need to boost our immune system and we need to stay healthy and fit by eating healthy food and exercising. So today, we will share a healthy recipe, shrimp with veggies Chinese style. Hope you like it! First, let us peel the shell of the shrimp. Do not throw the shells and heads of the shrimp. We will use it for the broth. After that, mince the shell and the head. Then add 150 ml water. It's time to mash with your hand para lumabas ang lasa. Ngayon, strain natin ang minced shrimp para makuha lang yung sabaw. Pagkatapos, mag-add kayo ng 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. You can see the list of ingredients at the description box below. Ngayon, mag-add tayo ng 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Then mix. Mag-add tayo ng 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then stir it until well blended. Boil natin ang mixed veggies for 2 minutes. Make sure half-cook lang ang veggies. Mas maigi kung fresh ang bibilhin yung veggies. Then isalin siya sa malamig na tubig. Let us start cooking. Put the butter in a preheated pan. Then let it melt. Ngayon, mag-saute tayo ng garlic at ginger. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung music, guys? Chinese style kasi. Ayan, haluin lang natin siya ng mabuti. Then add the shrimp. Mag-wait lang tayo until it changes color. Then season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Guys, nagkukulay na siyang orange. Ngayon, i-add na natin ang mushrooms. Tapos, haluin lang natin siya ng mabuti. It's time to put our veggies. Then pour the broth. Simmer for another 5 minutes. The smell is so good. Very aromatic. Guys, taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. It's done! Very easy to cook. Now let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Serve while it's hot. So excited to taste it. It's my first time to eat broccoli. Please don't judge me. Ang sarap niya, guys. Try niyo to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!